Noticing your bulge.
Good morning, it is day one of Anime North. We're heading out to pick up some friends before we go to the convention. I'm tired! We are at the convention now. The dealer's room hasn't opened yet and nothing is really open. So we kind of just walked out here for no reason. We are gonna try and meet up with Cammie before we head back to the hotel to get ready. We're getting to cosplay. Yeah. Went on a very short adventure to the dealer's room or the artist alley to help our friend. And now we're back at the hotel room and we're changing into cosplay and I don't want to do it. I'm so lazy. I'm so tired, dude. So I'm gonna put on my cosplay stuff. I am in cosplay at the convention. I didn't vlog much because I was basically shooting this entire time. We've been in cosplay since about 4:30 p.m. Got to the convention, started shooting at 5 p.m. and now it is about, let's see what time it is, 6:46. We have about another 20 minutes of shoots. Right now, Kay is shooting, and then we're gonna do a couple more duo photos and a couple more trio photos, and then call it a night. Gonna change out of this freaking cosplay. It's so, I'm cold, okay? So, yeah, I'm having fun. This cosplay is actually really nice. I like it. It's actually very comfortable to wear. Ooh, aesthetic. Aesthetic, wow. I wonder who's doing that. What the fuck? Yeah, we had like a whole support team. I'll just give you an example. There's the photographer with Kay here. And then we have some of the other helpers and Kogi here. And two of them already left, but like they were here for a decent amount of time, so it was pretty funny. And like a whole team of people. I think that's gonna be it. I will catch up with you guys when we get back to the hotel or when we change out. It is 2 a.m. Day one is over, boys. Can you shut up? I'm vlogging. Okay, I'm going to sleep.
Is this going to the vlog?
I don't know.
Oh, I didn't mean to hit you. You all know that.
I'm going to sleep now. I didn't vlog because I'm lazy. I didn't vlog because I was lazy and Kogi tried to kill me.
What the heck?
We'll see you guys tomorrow. We're cosplaying Janna, League of Legends. Woo! And Nidalee League of Legends. Bye bye. Hello! I just changed out of my cosplay. And now I'm in regular clothes. She's still in cosplay. I'm not in cosplay because I'm no more. We only did one shoot. We literally planned 2 shoots and we canceled one because now. Or we're gonna change out, put on regular people clothes, go back to the convention, hang out in the artist alley because we haven't been to the dealer's room at the artist alley all weekend yet. So we're gonna do that and actually use the pass that we paid for. And then my meetup is in 3 hours from now. So, woo, woo, yeah, I'm so excited, woo. Okay, bye. I just wanna give an update on how much snacks we have left. So this is almost empty. This is like started by Kogi. We lost one of the Sour Patch Kids. One of the caramel corns are open. We've started this shrimp cracker. This has been started by me, Kek. And then these are almost done. These ones are almost, no, they've been open.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Not finished.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
It's a yikes for me, dog. I have a question about the party trades. I thought you had it.
I thought you had it. Let's not tell anyone. So I spent money.
Spoils of war.
$100. $100. Too much. Too.
Wait, the 5-7 looks so good.
200 sold out.
Wait, did you save? What about mine?
Thank you.
Well, I have no money left, so. I'm just kidding.
I'm glad you saved it. Now I want that one. So save me one.
Oh, so
Save me one. Or I'll kill you.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
I just woke up from a nap. And I'm filming this for the second time because my friends kept talking in the background. And they said some suspicious things.
I love you.
TOS.
It was raining. It's raining. Beautiful. It's raining, so I moved the meetup to next week. I'm just kidding. To tomorrow. Same time-ish, sort of, not really tomorrow. Now I'm gonna go spend money, regardless, so. Oh! Vlog when we went to meet up with the Twitch people, and now I'm walking back regretting my life decisions. It was actually really nice. I got a stream deck from one of my mods, so now I gotta set it up when I get home. Woo! And then I gave away prints, and I think I'm not gonna have enough for tomorrow, but it's okay. Because there were 3 cute girls that were there that I decided to give like the little bags to. So, rip people who go to the meetup, because it is almost 6 a.m.
What? Almost 6 a.m.?
Just kidding, it's almost 5 a.m. And we're going to sleep right now. Shut up. We're going to sleep right now. We're gonna try and get some rest before tomorrow. Gotta check out of the hotel and then head to Artist Alley, watch Cami perform at AN Idol, and then do my meetup that was postponed today. Due today. It feels bad, man. It is almost 11 and we're tired. Half of us have no voices. Demonstrate. just finished at the Artist Alley. We might head back again later before the meetup. Right now we are gonna watch Anime North Idol because Cami is performing and I'm really excited to see her sing on stage. Woo!
So, singing from Card Captor Sakura Clear Card series, Rocket Beat, please welcome to the stage, Kami.
I'm at my meetup. Say hi to the vlog that will never be made.
Hi vlog. Hi Twitch chat.
That's a meetup. We're gonna hang out for a little bit longer. I did some dances and then I'm gonna leave because I didn't plan anything for this because I was really, really busy before. Mother here at the unfinished. Mother voice gone.